Good morning everyone. My name is Pushpalata. I am going to explain the quasi-contract. Quasi-contract, first one is what is the meaning, then how to arise the quasi-contract, features of contract and difference between contract and the quasi-contract, provisions for quasi-contract we will discuss on one by one. Valid and voidable contracts. Void agreements, section 2Z, not be enforceable by law. Voidable contracts, section 2.1, enforceable by law at the options one or more parties. Then definitions. Contract depends on the occurrence or non-occurrence of future uncertain event. Enforcement is called as when the event is occurs. Quasi-contract, section 68 to 72, not actual contract but obligations imposed by the prevent unjust enrichment. For example, supply of necessary to incapable persons, payment by the interest person, finder of goods, payments by mistake or under corrections. What are the key factors of quasi-contracts means the absence of formal agreements. Quasi-contracts arise without any formal contract, difference of acceptance between the parties. They are obligations created by law to address situations when one party is insufficiently enriched expense of another. What are the principles means the enrichment unjust. The core principles were present one party from being unjustly insist of another. If a person receives the benefits of basis they are obligated the company's other party. Rights to money or compensation. Typically, quasi-contract involves the right to receive money or compensations for services, servants, benefits conferred even into the absence formal agreements. The next is the benefits received from specific situations covered. The Indian Contract Act specifies certain situations under which quasi-contract obligations arise, such as supply of necessaries to the person incapable of contracts, section 68, payment by an interest person, section 69, obligations to pay the non-graduations act, section 70, responsibility of finders of goods, section 71, payment by mistakes our under creation, 72, enforceable agreement specific individuals unlike excuse me. Next one is quasi-contract. Definition of contracts: an agreement enforceable by law formed through the mutual consent of the parties. Quasi-contract, not an actual contract but a legal obligation imposed by law or prevent unjust enrichment, the absence of mutual consent. Second one is formation of contract. Arise from the free and mutual contest of components of parties involving offer, acceptance and consideration. Quasi-contract arise by the operations of law without any agreements, offer or acceptance between the parties. Constant contract requires the voluntary and mutual consent of all parties involved. Quasi-contract, non-constant in the involved obligations are imposed irrespective of the parties in sentence. Legal basis contract. This is based on the expressed terms agreed upon by the parties. Quasi-contract based on principle, equity, justice and good consensus prevent and unjust enrichment. Enforceability contract. Enforceable are the terms and conditions mutually agreed upon by the parties. These are the points are discussed. Thank you.